The Waring BB150 48-ounce 2-speed bar blender is an ideal light-duty blender for businesses mixing up to 24 drinks in a day. The clear polycarbonate container provides a visible display of the ingredients. A dripless pour spout assures a clean and accurate pour for every drink. Equipped with a quiet motor, the Waring BB150 is an ideal addition to any beverage bar with excessive noise concerns. To purchase your next Waring product, call an account manager toll-free at 1-877-877-4379 or visit us online www.foodservicewarehouse.com.